Hey guys, it's part two to stripping down the crossbar, the top end issue, and yeah, let's get at her. Find a nice spot for this guy. Yeah, try that. First things first, gotta drain the antifreeze. So we gotta find a coolant line that's lower to the frame, and drain the coolant without trying to get it all over the floor. I don't know if I've been very successful. So what you're looking to do is first make sure you have a beer. Because it could be bad news once we get this thing opened up. All kidding aside, you want to take off the easiest stuff, such as this. I gotta find a coolant line that I'm gonna pull. Most likely this bottom one, I'll show you guys. This one down here. I'm gonna pull that one, try to stick it through this hole, and have a container underneath to try to catch the. So what I'm going to do is attempt to pull the line from here, drain the coolant, and try not to get coolant all over the floor and everywhere else. So here we go. Oh, I got it all over myself. Lovely. So this is the first step, is kind of get some of it out. This is good, expensive coolant, so I want to kind of save it if I could. And I'm putting it into a 3.7 liter jug, or it's close to 3.7 liters would be usually there's gallons. Not today though. Okay, 3.7 liter gallons. That's about a gallon, I think, or two. Regardless, there's not much that comes out of here. Take a look. So the big one's going to be this one on the bottom. So that one will probably be much harder to get, but we'll try our best, I guess. Alright, let's do this. Problem is, it's going to come out of the engine, and it's also going to leak. So it's going to leak out of the engine, it's going to leak onto the floor, it's going to be a big mess. So, not much you can do about it, except pull the hose and run. So, I'm getting a bit here, as you can see, but I'm getting quite a bit on the floor too. Them's the brakes. How are the roads? Okay, Garmin, stop recording. Next thing we're going to do is take these lines off. So this one is just a little clip. Just like that. Try not to lose the clips. This one's the top one here. It's just a hose clamp. Same concept. That one's ready to go. Try to move these spark plug wires out of the way. Might have to take this off as well. This might have to come off. That's basically my power valve servo motor. But now, I mean, we also have to take the power valves off. So